Alexa, drum roll please.
Okay.
What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how I built a smart mirror with Alexa capabilities for under $100. Alrighty, so this is what the smart mirror looks like when it's all put together. I do need to clean it up a little bit. I'll be doing that in this video as well. And this mirror, this is not actual mirror. This is some kind of plexiglass or something. I'll have a link in the description. So when you bend it, you can actually see things go out of frame. So you want to keep it as flat as possible. But as you can see, I have my Alexa capable device in the back. There she goes. But yeah, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alrighty, so the materials you're gonna need are some scissors, an Amazon Fire tablet. An Amazon Fire 8 HD. I think that's what I'm using. Make sure you get the one with Alexa on it. Your actual mirror piece itself with black. You need to get black adhesive. I'll have a link in the description for this. It's really easy to work with. You don't even have to worry about the bubbles because the black backdrop just completely covers them out. And you want to make sure you cut a hole big enough for the display device. So I just put the device down, drew a little bit around it, and then just cut a little bit just to compensate for the bezels, just to make sure it doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. And then a cheap just picture frame, I guess, from Amazon, some twine. I use twine, you can use rope. And then I got an extra long USB cable, just so I can always have it turned on and plugged in. And right now I'm actually erasing this Kindle Fire. I was having some bugs, so come back to you when it is fully erased and we can go ahead and I'll show you how to set up your Fire to work as a smart mirror. Alright, I just thought I'd mention a couple of things about the reason why I chose the certain equipment that I did. I did this on a budget. I was trying to do it as cheap as possible. When I saw everybody online was doing it, as like with Raspberry Pis and Arduinos and an LCD display, I thought, well, might as well just get everything in one. What has that but a tablet? And so the Amazon Fire 8 is a great choice because Amazon actually sells them for a loss or they break even, so I've heard. So that just makes it a great alternative, and there is a wonderful app called Mango Mirror, and I'll actually show you how to set that up as well. So I'm just waiting on this Amazon Fire 8 to finish installing its updates, and then we'll go ahead and get into it. Alright, I just thought I'd let you know, the tablet did just ask me if I wanted to enable or disable Alexa. Make sure you click enable and you'll be good. Alrighty, so the Fire tablet is ready. We're just going to open up the App Store and we are going to search for Mango. Give it some time. Yep, Mango display. So the search, and this is first one, so we're going to go ahead and grab that, download it. And you are also going to need to download Mango Mirror app on the iPhone or on your Android device. I will show you this app, put them side by side. This actually allows you to add it, and so you can edit it while it's in the mirror because you can't touch it while it's in the mirror. So come back when this is installed and I'll show you how to set it all up. Alrighty, we now officially have Mango display app open on the Amazon Fire and the Mango Mirror app open on your smartphone. Let me turn the brightness down in there just a little bit. Alright, so you'll see your device activation code. We're actually going to hit add, and then we're just going to hit Android app, even though this is a Fire. We're going to tap new Mango display. Congratulations, and I'm actually going to name this one. I'm going to name it. This one's for my room, so I'm going to name it bedroom. Alrighty, and let's just make sure these match up, both end and B8, yep. Cool. Alrighty, and now we officially have our smart, well, the base of our smart mirror. And then we're gonna come over here, general settings, and we can actually move all of this around. So, alrighty, so I played around with the settings with it tilted sideways just so I could see how it looked. Really liking that, nice little black background, that's what you want. And this is just how I have it set up. You're gonna have to play around with the settings a little bit, but it does work, and you can't really complain. Shout out to Mango, they're doing a great job, especially bringing this to the Amazon Fire tablet, which is only around 50 bucks, and you just really can't beat that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just take this, and what we're gonna do is I got a tape already on it. Well, not tape, the black adhesive. And we're gonna just line it up correctly, set up the camera so you can see me do that. And then we'll see how it looks on the other side. I'm gonna clean off the display as well, so we don't have any fingerprints on there. So yeah. All right, one really important thing you're gonna have to do is open up settings, go into device options, and then yours will not say developer options. You're gonna have to go to About Fire Tablet and tap this 4 times. And it'll say, you are 1 step away from becoming a developer, blah, blah, blah. But I already am a developer, sweet. You are now a developer. How do you feel about that? All right, developer options. Alrighty, you're gonna open up developer options. We're gonna turn it on, press OK. You're now a developer. How do you feel about that? And you are gonna come down here to stay awake, and we're gonna turn that on, and that'll keep the device awake. Alrighty, and when I'm using the adhesive to put this down, I'm just basically lining it up how I would like it, making sure that there are no gaps. I can't see any mirror. And just straighten it out, get it as straight as possible. And then lay it down, get that tape on there good, or the adhesive, my bad. And I like to put it in with the charger in too, as you can see. And then there we are. I know it's not that straight, we can try and fix that. But then, if you want to look, we have it. We're going to turn the brightness up, and then it should be good. Alrighty, and we now have our mirror. Looks good. Now we're just going to stick it in the frame. Make sure when you're sticking it in the frame that you have the charging cord plugged in and that you have it on the shortest side. You don't want to be stretching out the longer way. You want it on the short side so that we can fit this backing on there. Alrighty, now we have our budget smart mirror. Everything looks good, and as long as we keep it plugged in, it should stay on. You can download apps like YouTube to get, I won't say her name so she doesn't turn on to play it. And yeah, so that's it. You can see it is a little bit distorted. That's because we're not using a real mirror. This is a budget build.